welcome back to your own YouTube channel Tech Techno, where we bring you quality tech content and make your life techilicious. So guys, we have come up with yet another video where we'll be discussing about Solutions Architect Virtual Experience Program offered by AWS on Forage platform. So before we start this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share with your friends so that they don't miss any update from our channels. So without further ado, let's start this video. So Forage is a free open access virtual program which has been designed for students looking to obtain practical work experience through company endorsed programs. So through your participation in a virtual experience program, you'll undertake the hypothetical tasks that are very closely mirror the sort of work you do as an intern or as a graduate employee at the organization. It is a unique opportunity for you to try out the career at your own pace and in the comfort of your own time from the comfort of your home. You can think of calling clients, emailing partners, and creating PowerPoint decks for your teams. It's focused on giving you a true taste of life at work. So, what are the benefits of this program? So you will see what real life work can be like. You can boost your CV, and first thing, all programs are free of charge for the students and working professionals. So, you can complete in the comfort of your home at your own pace and just get recognized by recruiters of top companies on the platform. So getting started is really simple and it takes about 30 seconds to complete the registration process, and from there on you can enroll to any of the virtual experience programs and offer, and if you have any further questions you can also visit the website prior to registering. So today we are going to talk about AWS Certified Solution Architect Program. So if you are also aware about AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Credential, this is intended for anyone with any of the more of years on hand and experience designing available, cost-efficient, fault-tolerant and scalable distributed systems on AWS. So you should also have experience with AWS technology, including some compute, networking, storage, and database AWS services, as well as AWS deployment and management services. So once you've filtered out the courses, you'll see that there's one course named as AWS Solution Architect Virtual Experience Program. So talking about this program, you can discover a career in solution architecture or learn the basics of solution architecture. This program is free for all the students. So this virtual experience program is free and this program is self-paced and it will take around 1 to 2 hours to complete this virtual experience program. You can get practical skills and experience from AWS. And why you should join this virtual experience program? Because at AWS they are eager to give you the chance to start exploring what a career in solution architecture could look like for you. We are excited to open up the world of solution architecture as a role to you and teach you the basics so that you can decide if solution architecture is what you want to do in your future. They are also giving you a sneak peek into AWS hosting architecture design processes whilst also teaching you the fundamentals of the global company. You'll familiarize yourself with how your solution architects effectively communicate with clients whilst also learning about your billing structures, which are key to providing commercial solutions to the clients all over the world. What do you have in it for you? You have the ability to take your program in your own time and at your own pace. You can gain marketable skills and experience you can build off of. And your certificate of completion you can put on your resume or your LinkedIn to elevate your employability. And you can see if a career in solution architecture is the right fit for you. There are a lot of benefits if we talk about this program, starting with you can do it on your time. That is, you can fit the AWS Solution Architecture program in with your busy schedule and learn at your own pace and reach your personal goals. You can gain real world experience throughout the solution program experience and you'll develop deep insights into what it is actually to work at AWS. You can make your CV and LinkedIn stand out and learn direct from AWS. This program has been created by leaders at AWS and you receive instructions from the AWS team and compare your work with real model solutions from AWS. So these are some of the benefits and what will you do in this program? It's basically designing a simple, scalable hosting architecture. You can see the reasoning behind the design of an AWS hosting architecture and learn how to communicate the decisions to client as well as inform on how they will be built. There'll be some practical skills that you'll gain from working on these modules like technical communication, architecture diagram, and AWS pricing. So this program is self-paced and it will take 1 to 2 hours to complete this virtual experience program. And you can discover a career in solution architecture or learn the basics of solution architecture by being a part of this program. Just click on register now and you'll be redirected to the program overview page. So once you're done enrolling into this process, you will have to answer some questions that they need to understand that what grabs your attention to be a part of this particular experience program. So guys, if you're liking this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Also, do not forget to mention anything that you would like to see on our channel in the comment sections below. And we would like to bring you that video as soon as possible. So once you're done enrolling into this process, you will be redirected to the task 1, that is designing a simple scalable hosting architecture. So once you have reached this module overview page, you'll be redirected to the task 1 and where you can see some background information regarding your task. So before and during your task, you may find it useful to refer to the below overview of AWS services. If you would like to have more information about the task itself, you can feel free to skip this and skip to the part where you will be redirected to the part where you can see more about the task. So you are a solutions architect at AWS and a customer has contacted you because they are having some problems with the way their web application is currently hosted. So you can see a snippet of the email that a person named Nilly Sawyer has sent you for the company named Fastier. She is the CTO of Fastier, that is an online tool that makes organizing things fast. So you have seen that she has been in news currently and she has been experiencing some big growth as a result. Unfortunately, this means that she's having difficulty with the website. The response times can be slow during peak periods and sometimes they even server crashes when it runs out of the memory. They also experience some downtime during deployments and don't have a disaster recovery plan. So, based on their current trajectory, they predicted that they are going to see consistent linear growth for a while. So, they need you to design an architecture for them that will alleviate the problems that they're experiencing. Some points that you need to consider are that the company is a startup and they are lucky because you can provide more of a greenfield approach and they are more likely to be able to make changes to their application stack compared to an enterprise where change can take a long time and they can end up only being to migrate part of the system at a time. Also, being a startup, it is probably easy to migrate the data into AWS. They have a single server and already experienced downtime, so they are probably okay with some downtime during migration and the setup process as well. And being a mixed API and web app, they'll need to host some static content as well. So you need to recommend a solution based on Elastic Beanstalk based on these requirements. Firstly, the customer has a Python application that Elastic Beanstalk has support for. The customer will need to scale, and this is one of the fundamental features of Elastic Beanstalk. And they want to remove the downtime when deploying an Elastic Beanstalk. Blue-green deployment can assist with this. And as an aside, you can also see that Elastic Beanstalk is not only product that we could recommend for this customer. AWS is an open platform and encourages creativity when building solutions. So you need to be aware of the pros and cons of each solution and how they will be best fit for your customer. So let's redirect to the Word platform where I have answered the questions and why it should be that way. I have also mentioned them in the comments in the Word document. So you can just follow the document with me and see how we can essentially help demystify the services shown in the architecture diagram and explain why they are all necessary. So you'll write it this way that it is based around Elastic Beanstalk, which brings together HTTP load balancing, application servers, and database servers under one umbrella. So after setting up these services using Elastic Beanstalk, they can be scaled independently. You can also find a system architecture diagram attached to this email, which I had already shown you before the start of this Word document. So you can also use Route 53 hosted zone. So you can set up your DNS in AWS Route 53 and the DNS zone hosting is fairly standardized, so we do not need to explain it much. But you need to explain why Elastic Beanstalk was chosen, that is for simplicity. So its environment are in three parts, that is load balancer, E2C, EC2 compute instances, and an RDS post GRE SQL server. So also the elastic load balancer, the four paragraphs, you just need to explain the benefits of using this services. So whenever you are selling something to the client, you need to be sure that all the benefits are listed down so clearly that they are getting a part of all the solutions that we're looking on in the direct emails. The costing is something that can be discussed on a later stage, but the mail that you're sending to your client should be very clear on whatever solutions they were looking for. So you can all see the different advantages that I have listed down. And as the application gets more users from all over the world, you can also find it harder to set up the maintenance windows to allow downtimes during deployments. So they can you can use suggest using blue green deployments to launch new elastic beanstalk. So you can explain how core pipeline works and how we can achieve zero downtime deployment for them. Another problem they initially mentioned, that because they have only one area, and even if it goes downtime and during deployment, it is a big error that will come to their website. So once the new environment, that is a blue environment, is up and running, the production URL can be switched to point to it, and it will start taking requests. This then comes the green environment, and the previous production environment can be stopped. So this is basically a manual process, or a code pipeline can be configured to work with Elastic Beanstalk to perform this automatically. After that, you need to talk about cost. So you can give them some cost roughly, that can be same for every month, but when we have a better picture of the number of requests they will be asking for different resources and instances, you can give them a clearer picture. So we cannot provide a concrete pricing numbers until we know the exact resources requirement, but we can give guidelines on how it can change in the future, plus work with them to get the ballpark figures. You can also give them the website, that is calculator.aws, where they can calculate how much will it cost them to get this particular number and get concrete pricing numbers. Also, you can ask that if they require any other information to be suggested other than all these information that have been provided to them. So once you have seen that you have written all the benefits of the particular thing that you have asking them for, you can just type your answer below, copy paste, and remove the comments that are added for your helpful nature. You can just remove them and add your name at the end. So I'm just entering my name and just clicking on complete once it's done, so as to see the progress of the particular internship program. So you can just click on mark as complete. The work is being uploaded for review and this can take few minutes. So just be patient around this time. So once this is done, you'll get to know that your program has been successfully completed, and congratulations on completed this particular program by suggesting them good solutions to the client. You can also save and get your certificate out of this. So once you see the screen of that congratulation message, you can just click on the next button and move forward, leave a review and comment, answer few questions, and get your certificate sorted. So you just need to give what you liked about this program and what if that they can improve in their program. So just enter whatever you feel about the program and submit and download your certificate. So once you click on the button, you will be redirected to a page where you'll be shown that you can share this particular certificate on your LinkedIn profile. And you can also express your interest in working at AWS by whatever manner you wish to take part. So you can see that you have got this congratulation message and you can see your certificate as well. You can just click on right click and click on save as and save it as a PDF and download the certificate so that you can use and post it on various LinkedIn and job profile sites. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button and like this video. Also, do not forget to mention any particular video that you would like to see on a channel in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned to our channel.